Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In front of me I have Poco F8 Ultra. In this video I want to show you how to use Raise to Wake feature on this device. So first of all, let's enable it. You want to go to settings. Now let's select section lock screen, and here you will see option Raise to Wake. Let's turn this on and let's test it. You want to lock your phone, and then whenever you want to look at your phone, you want to lift your phone towards you without clicking any buttons, and it will be the screen should automatically turn on. As you have seen, I did not press any buttons. I just lifted my phone and the screen turned on. So that's it. I really hope this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.